Hi, I'm Eric Reiner from Beckhoff Automation. I manage the MX product category here in the US, which is a cabinet-free design. The whole goal is to reduce the number of components you have on the machine and completely eliminate that cabinet, reducing the engineering time, reducing the number of components, and making your machine more modular. And you do that by utilizing this modular base that you can add system modules, you can add servo drives, you can add your I/O and your industrial PC to this system and mount it directly to the machine. And the goal is making your machine more modular, easier to set up, easier for factory testing, as well as installing or moving around at the end user. So the whole goal is to make your life easier during that whole machine process, reducing the number of components from maybe 150 down to 15, so you have to keep less product on the shelf. Please visit beckhoff.com and check out the MX system page for further information.